was gradually thinning over time. I didn't really notice it because it was so slow. But when I became pregnant with my first son, my hair just started falling out in clumps. So I kind of went into like a hormonal shock and my body attacked itself a little bit and my hair just started to fall out. It was really devastating when that started happening, mainly because no one can tell me why it was happening. I went to several doctors and no one had an answer for me. It was just, deal with it, it's not that bad. My name's Lauren and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I work in corporate hospitality. I spend a lot of time with my family. I have 2 young boys. So our weekends are spent doing a lot of activities. I like to put my story out there because back in the day when I first started, there weren't a lot of voices in the community, and I'm so happy that there are more women out there. And just talking openly about hair loss has helped so many women feel not alone in the struggle. I love wearing alternative hair that gives me the hair I always wish I would have had. So typically that's long, some face framing layers, but generally it's a long style. It's something that I can never achieve with my biological hair. Before landing on Top Secret, which I wear every day, I probably tried 4 to 5 different styles. I don't think anyone should have to compromise with what they're looking for in their perfect piece. There are so many features now available in all of the alternative hair that you can really get exactly what you're looking for. It was a lot of fun trying all the different styles today. I've always seen them online or on other people, and it was really a great experience to get to try some of them myself. It's a lot of fun experimenting with different colors that you don't normally wear. As a natural brunette, I would never think that I can pull off a blonde color, but when you try one that is really suited to you and it's got rooting and it just kind of works with your coloring, you're able to experiment with styles that you never thought you'd be able to. I really liked trying Margot today. It's such a fun, long bob, a little bit of a flippy end style with a lot of movement. She's something that I wouldn't normally have picked out, but I love her. The human hair feels fantastic. So just like you've always wanted your hair to feel like, there's definitely a difference when it comes to the feel of human hair and synthetic hair. So if you're looking for the most natural feel, human hair is the way to go. So some of the benefits about wearing human hair are you have the ability to style it exactly how you want. You can wear human hair straight one day, you can go curly the next, you can go wavy the third day. Just the possibilities are really endless when it comes to human hair. Another thing I love about human hair is the movement of it. It just moves so naturally and really moves like your own hair. Unlike synthetic, human hair doesn't have a little bit of that shine that some synthetics have when you first get them. So you're not going to notice anything when it comes to shine. It's going to look just like your own biological hair. I tend to wear synthetic hair more often than not just because of its ease. You take it out of the box, it's ready to go, you wash it, it's really simple. So with human hair, you have to be prepared to put a little bit of work into it. So there's a different set of care instructions. You have to treat it a little bit differently. But my advice would be almost to anybody who jumps into wearing hair is to have a variety of fibers, because synthetic, there are limitations, and it's great, and I love it, but I completely see the benefits of human hair because you do get to do some things that you can't do with synthetic hair. So when it comes to human hair, you do have to be prepared to invest a little bit of time in it. So you can't just air dry it. Really, it's not going to give you the best look. If you air dry, you do have to put forth a little bit of effort when it comes into flat ironing or curling. But to get the most natural appearance, and for what most women are going after when they wear alternative hair, human hair is going to give you that. So When I wear human hair, I just feel like a better version of myself. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just feel like me 2.0. So I love feeling the feel of human hair like on my neck, because it touches you and you feel it throughout the day. And because it feels so realistic, because it is human hair, you just feel on top of it.